6, 7, 8. Awesome. Here we go. Heel, right heel. Rock up, swirl back. Half turn, right, left. Awesome. Let's go. Right heel, rock up, swirl back. Turn to the right, right, left. Shuffle to the right, rock back. Shuffle to the left, rock back. Roll those hips to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the right with a shuffle, rock back. Shuffle, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3. In the dance, start again with a salsa. Here we go, right heel. Rock up, swerve, turn, right, left, salsa. Take it with the heel, right heel. Rock up, swerve left, to your right, bending right, rock back, to your left. Take those steps with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it to the right, to the left, quarter turn. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, in the chair. To the top, salsa. Heel, rock up, swerve it, turn, right, left, salsa. Take those heels right, rock up, swerve it back, half turn, right, left, bend it right, bend it left. Let's go hips. 1, 2, 3. Bend it again. Quarter turn with a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Salsa. Heel, rock up, swerve it back. Quarter turn with the right, left. Salsa. Let's go. Right heel, rock up, swerve. Half turn, Menifee right. Menifee left. Hips 1, 2, to the left. Menifee right. Quarter turn with a 1, 2, 3. Last one. Salsa. Heel right. 1, 2. Half turn, right, left. Salsa. Heel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sitting right. Swing those hips. 1. To the left. And then the right. Finish the dance like this. 1, 2, 3, 4.